Happy end of summer, everybody. This is Aaron here with NFI Empire, and I've got the privilege of driving a 2016 Cadillac XTS. This is black with a black interior, and being a Cadillac, it's got heated, cooled seats, it's got the touch screen, it even has cordless phone charger. And with fall and winter coming up, and being that we're in Erie, Pennsylvania, this is, of course, four-wheel drive. Cadillac gives you just over 300 horsepower with this vehicle, so you have plenty of power to do anything you want to do. And it drives as smooth and as luxurious as a big body Cadillac should. Hope you like the way this vehicle looks. It is attractive in my opinion. It is big, black, and beautiful. So give us a call, 814-746-4213. It is a big body Cadillac and it drives smooth and luxurious down the road. You can visit us at nfiautomotive.com. Give us a call at our phone number, which I already gave you. Remind you, it's 814-746-4213. If you like this video, hit the like button, call and ask for Aaron. I'll give you a special deal.